Welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'll show you how to disable the Always On Display feature on your iPhone 16 Pro Max. This feature can be helpful, but might drain your battery faster than usual. If you're noticing quicker battery drain, turning it off could help. Here's how to do it. First, open the Settings app on your iPhone. Scroll down and tap on Display and Brightness. Now scroll all the way down until you find Always On Display and tap on it. In this menu, you'll see a few customization options. To remove your wallpaper from the Always On Display, toggle off Show Wallpaper. To stop notifications from showing up, toggle off Show Notifications. And to completely disable Always On Display, toggle off the main switch next to Always On Display at the bottom. That's it. With just a few taps, you can customize or disable this feature to save battery or keep your lock screen clean. If you have any questions about the process, feel free to leave a comment below. If this video helped you out, give it a like and subscribe to our channel for more quick tutorials like this one. Thanks for watching and have a great day.